Hello, this is Nan channel. Today I'm gonna get some tornado jars to put water in the jar and put soap on the water. So if you do like this, it looks like tornadoes. And here it is, a tornado. There's another one with glitters in it. So the glitter will fly. And there's a glitter flying. And then see the tornadoes in the glitter. The next one is a small, tiny one. And there's a little bit of tornadoes in it. And here's another tiny one. And that doesn't do anything for me, just for my mom. And there's a tornado. The last one is this one. There was tornadoes. There it is. How cool is that, guys? If you subscribe for my channel, make sure you have to see some of my tornadoes. Bye.